Hi, let's talk about this segmented pivot door. This pivot door is 5 feet wide by 8 feet tall. This size and proportion is the most common pivot door size. This pivot door has a very large pane of glass that has been divided by 4 horizontal metal strips. What this segmentation does is change the way you interact with this pivot door. So rather than have one large pane of glass that draws your attention through the door, this pivot door retains some of your attention at the pivot door. This door pull is the Concise Door Pull. It's very subdued. It's off to the side and it does not compete with the overall design of the pivot door. If you would like a concise door pull to draw more attention to itself, it can be faced with a brushed stainless or a hardwood. So this is very tailorable to your needs and your home setting. Thank you very much.